Well, I thought I was recording. We're picking tomatoes. All my tomatoes have gotten blight. I'm just letting them turn green. Red. And, let me show you guys the grass and everything over here. Lord help me. If these here wouldn't have been in here, in the grass, the birds would have got them. So hang on. Y'all see all this. So I will be taking all these and just let them turn red and burn all this. If you have blight on your tomatoes like this, okay, don't put it in your compost pile, please, because all you're doing is spreading the disease right back into it. But you guys see all these tomatoes. I have to kind of get them when they're still a little pink. You know, just turning. Because the birds here just really love to take in poke holes. Okay? But that's better than nothing. But you guys see, these tomatoes are gone. Am I disappointed? Yes. But I am going to can some tomatoes. And we'll see about these peppers. He's still small. Sorry, neighbor's dog's out. But the peppers are still growing. You guys see. Elephant ears. Hush, Max. Let's see. Hush. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. We've got some of the purple. No. Yard long beans. I'll show you guys. Look. These are ready. So pick those. Got some small ones in here. Not ready. But the okra is growing, but it's grassy. I'm not really, I don't know, I ain't gonna be getting a lot of stuff out of the garden this year. Yeah, I did get a lot of tomatoes, but as you guys know, I will be taking and planting after Max, no. Max. Sorry, guys. But I will be planting in the high tunnel once I get it done. I'm hoping that will land. That is a moth. look at the ladybugs in here. I need to cut this down, give it to the chickens. Let's see, I'll pull it up. Give it to my chickens, y'all. We've got a lot of onions and they really need to come up. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. The cabbage is getting eaten by bugs. I've got to put some more of the mint over here. It has stopped it, and now this one here is not going to do anything. Bugs done ate it. Give it to chickens. And that one's not going to do anything. Here you go, girls. Oops. There you go. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab these onions. I mean, they're really not gonna do anything with all these hot temperatures. And that way I can get this bed ready to be taken up. I mean, they're small, you know, but hey, better than nothing. I can use it. And all you do is take your onions, if they're a lot bigger, just spread them out somewhere where it's cool and dry, because you want that paper skin on them. Alright, let me grab the rest of these guys. I know the grass in here, we have been getting some weird weather, okay? And with the rain and getting so hot so quick, till, I mean, it's impossible to really grow with these hot temperatures like it is. So having the high tunnel, yeah, it's gonna get hot in there, but you know, as long as you have ventilation and fans going, you know, whew, it'll be alright. But this I'm very upset with, because it's not producing the way I want. So I know from my own mistakes that you got to keep your beds clean. And you guys, I know a lot of you probably saying, well, you should have been keeping your beds clean. I'm gonna tell you something. When you have as much rain, and today we were 109 on heat index, you tell me when is best to get out here and do this, okay? Because early in the morning it's still hot, and it's impossible. Right now I am sweating down. It's that hot. Hold on, guys. Put this in the basket. And the girls, you know, hey, any of the vegetables that the critters get, or bugs, the chickens get. The chickens keep producing. I got told I didn't have to move the fence, and then again I get another message saying I do. So I gotta move their chicken coop. This bush here is loaded down with these freaking bugs. No, I have not sprayed anything on them. But all these beds will be gone. The mint, I may take a few plants and keep. The rest are gone. The rosemary, I will be taking and digging those up, putting those in pots. And I don't know if the loofah is going to do anything, guys. I'm hoping it does. But this right here, there's no way that loofah is going to make it. It's dead. See? That one's dead. Now, we still got some loofah here. And yes, it will take a long time for these to produce. And there's more baby loofahs on here. And here's a big one. Look. Got a big loofah there. They say, guys, that the loofah, you can eat these things while they're small. But I'm not. I want my gourds. My caveman gourds from House Tools. You could kind of see they're already shaping. This will be the bottom part of the caveman gourd, and that will be the handle part, but it'd be huger, okay, a lot bigger. Okay, now next year's gardening, well, I guess you say fall gardening. Get that right. Hang on, guys, I'm sorry, my fingers covering y'all up. But I got a basket full of stuff here, and I'm gonna take you guys and show y'all the other side. Let me put this up here. Try my best to keep Max from getting them. Let me cut the water off. All right, let's see over here. We got all these peppers. I gotta water. These tomatoes here, they're getting blight. So, all that's got to go. These over here is getting blight. The beans on here, they gotta go. And that don't look good. All that's got to go. But I am very disappointed in this year's produce. But I do have a lot of tomatoes, and I gotta water my basil. Let me show you guys. The flowers over here. Yes, I know the sunflowers are down because we had storms come through and messed up everything. You guys see there is corn here fixing to tassel. There's sunflowers still doing their thing. That one's drying up. I need to cut it. The banana tree growing. These plants over here, they're okay. This pepper died. All right. Whoa, so much water. I didn't come out and check it, but you guys kind of see. I'm gonna show you the roses over there. My mom's here are fixing to bloom. Those cucumbers didn't do nothing. So The flowers look good. Now these peppers, they're doing really good. Something Hatter, whatever they're called. They spicy. That plant fell. The pipe fell. My first marigold, tall marigold. Here's the roses. They have bloomed. They're looking really good. And look at this big head. Man, y'all, that thing is huge. All right, but that's everything. We got to mow tomorrow. I gotta run to the bank, and I've got to order my high tunnel, and then let me show you guys something. I'm gonna order it. I've been trying to figure out, you know, from other people that have high tunnels. I've been kind of watching their videos to see, would it be better if I have the short sidewalls or the high? And with the temperatures that we have, I think the high sidewalls might be better. And yes, it will be having wind strapping, and it will be secure in the ground. Y'all, the peach tree is huge, okay, but I do not see any peaches. None. None. Oh well, maybe it'll do something next year. We shall see. But all this green stalk is fixing to be cleared off. Let me show y'all these peppers over here. Max, you're into stuff. These peppers are looking really good. I took these out of my office and brought them out here and put them here where they're not getting in the direct sun, but they can still, you know, produce. They hadn't put any flowers yet. That one over there is having a heat stroke. But just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on everything. And the heat is awful. All right, guys, love you, God bless. And here's our harvest from tomatoes and onions and a few beans. Better than nothing.